This time on Killer Customs, we attempt to drive this unvetted auction ramp truck all the way from New York City to California. Does the truck get itself home? Do we hire a tow truck to make the last push? Do we kill each other in the cabin?
Please.
Get a what? Just get out of the fucking car! The only way to find out is to watch this episode. It's an all-American killer road trip.
It's scary.
Yeah.
Couldn't get the truck off the road enough.
If you like watching people struggling at the brink of destruction, then you'll want to watch this.
It's not worth our lives.
No, it's not. So we're gonna do another 30 miles and decide whether it's worth finishing this trip or not. Why don't we just pull in here and opposite way of the transmission?
I have no idea.
Oh, for fuck's sakes.